In my last video, I did all of this. And so the headliner is completely out, and now it's time to remove these. For starters, I took off the sunroof switch, so I'm going to put that back in. Alright, so I opened the sunroof. Now I gotta figure out how to pull this panel out. So let's get into it. To remove these panels, you start by opening the sunroof, and you start with the front panel. And basically there's kind of catches on the top, and you slide it out and pull it up. And just you'll see like a slot in the rail where the little like catches are, and you have to just pull those things out basically. This is a side view of that thing you need to push up, like the catch, to release it. And here's the kind of motion you need to do. You basically just pull it forward and up once it reaches a certain point in the track. In order to remove the back panel, you have to close the sunroof completely and also remove the seal around the sunroof a little bit just to get some space. And there's a spring sort of, so you push down on the springs and basically pull it forward a little bit to get those springs out of the way, and then you pull it down on the right side of the car and just slide it out via the right. So you want to have the passenger door open for that. Here's an example of those springs, and then you slide forward to get the springs out of the way. This process is remarkably simple, and I also found a tutorial online, or instructions I should say, and I'll link that down below, and you basically go to page 28 around there just to find page instructions if you prefer that to the video format. Now I just need to redo my headliner. Thanks for watching.